Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, in previous video we have stylized all these promo sections and I go to my index.html page and you see that after this promo container we made the navigation bar, nav starts and nav ends. So friend, here I will now go to once again my style.css and I will begin to stylize the nav, main navigation bar. So first of all, I will write comment and here I will write nav stars and I control D to duplicate it and here I write nav ends. So friend, inside these comments I will begin to stylize the nav. So first of all friend, I go back to my index.html that you see that inside this navigation bar I have made these anchor tags: home, services, about us and contact us. So I go to my style.css and I write here nav a and make two curly brackets, and here first I will define some color for this navigation link, color green, and second is text transform, text slash transform uppercase. Now I press enter and I use the text decoration column none. So I come down and I use the display property inline slash block semicolon to close. Font weight, it should be bold, and in the end I defined it is font size dot 9 em semicolon to close. So now friend, control S to save. I go to my Chrome browser and see that all these are the navigation links. So I show you, I go ahead, navigation, home, services, about us and contact. So I refresh this page. So friend, you see that these navigation links color has been changed to green, and when I bring my cursor over, its color has been changed to blue because I have not yet stylized, it is hover. So now I will stylize navigation anchor hover. So I write nav a column hover and I make two curly brackets. So I give some color to it, color white. Control S to save. Now I go here and refresh this page. Now when